How to make money on Freelancer in 2023 beginner's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with making money on Freelancer. So let's get into it. Now, Freelancer is a easy to use platform where people can look for jobs and also find freelancers to accomplish their tasks. Plus, this platform is also used by high-end companies like Amazon, Facebook, Google, and NASA and other large, established companies. So you can also find permanent jobs on Freelancer. And we're going to be focusing on how you can make money with simplistic skills. And if you don't have like a applied skill where you have, expertise about coding or anything like that, if you have some general basic skills, then you can accomplish these tasks on Freelancer and easily find jobs and outsource them as well. So let's get into making money. Now, the first thing you want to do is head on over to Freelancer and you can click on Find Jobs over here. Then you can choose skill or by language or featured jobs or find contests. So I'm going to go with Find Jobs by skill. Now, after that, you have a bunch of different categories, and the most popular one is graphic design jobs because they are so popular. And then you can click on find logo design jobs. Now you can see there are a bunch of different logo people that require a logo, and you can see the average bid is for around $84. And you can see company logo / graphic logo design. I need a logo design for the word skin 88. Font needs to be drawn to create a recognizable unique brand identity, and multiple versions so we can choose a final design. So you can go on ahead and put in your average bid, and usually you can see they have a budget of upwards of $750 from $250 to $750. So they have quite a large amount of bidders, and you can see there are a bunch of people that are bidding on this for 250 USD. And what you're going to do is you're going to bid on this as well. And once you bid on this, you can create the logo. Now, you might be wondering, hey, I don't know how to create logos, or I don't want to, do all the work myself. Well, I will show you guys a simple hack for that as well. So I'm going to find a job where they don't have a lot of bidders. So build me a plant identification app, graphic designer for modern day logo, 32 bids, 30 bids, 69. So the average bidding is around 30. And let's say I'm just going to scroll down and go to the next one for a cosmetic box, logo design concept. And I'm just going to take a look at all the bids. And let's say we have logo building. And you can see there are a bunch of different entries for, logo design. So I'm just going to go on ahead and take one. So let's say they have this restaurant, and you can see that they have, the entries, and this is like a contest. So I don't like to go for contests. I like to usually focus more on the jobs because they do pay higher. And I'm going to continue with my first example. So what you're going to do is you're going to bid for 250 USD as well. And if you don't know how to create the logo, you can simply head on over to another platform like Fiverr. Now, the reason why I recommend Fiverr is that there are a bunch of people doing a lot of services for lower prices on Fiverr. So you're going to bid for $250 over there. Then you can hire someone off of Fiverr that is selling logo designs for $20 to $40, and you can hire that person to create the logo for you. So you can go onto Freelancer, and this is just for a unique brand identity, and they just need the word skin 88. So they haven't provided any kind of detailed information about that. So what I'm going to do is I can go for a font logo, and this is like minimalistic logo design, modern and luxury. Maybe I want a hand-drawn logo. So you can see there are a bunch of different options, and I'm just gonna scroll on over here, and I can go on ahead and hire, even 2, 3 people off of Fiverr because they're charging 15 to 30 to $40, and I can hire like 2 people, get multiple different logo designs, and then I can upload those on Freelancer from Fiverr, and then I will be able to earn money without having to do any work. So you're basically work as a middleman, and then you can go back into find jobs and take a look at other jobs. So let's say that you want to do some writing jobs, and I'm just going to go into writing jobs over here, and maybe it's copywriting jobs, and then I'm going to filter these by maybe, yeah, I'm going to go in English only, and this person is looking for a expert writer, only native English speakers, and then they have, what kind of articles they want and how many articles they need, and the payment per article. So They will pay you all year round. This is like a long-term job, and you can easily find writers on Fiverr that are looking for this. So you can work as a middleman and provide the information as well. So write a press release for me, and they need a case study, and they want to have a press release for their case study. So you can work with these kinds of creators as well. Social media coordinator, and you can do all of these things easily by hiring someone off of Fiverr, and then once the freelancer bid, they provide you with all the information, you can go on ahead and provide that information further off to Fiverr and then have the work be done for you. But if you want to reduce costs, you can easily go on to the browse job section, and a bunch of these easy jobs like logo creation, you can easily do that off of Canva. So you can just search for logos on Canva and open it up over here. Once you open up the logos on Canva, so I've opened up the logos on Canva, you can go on ahead and pick a template and customize that, or create your own little template, create your own logo for the business as well. So you don't have to hire someone else. If you want to, you can do it yourself as well. You can take a template and customize the text within to create your own logo, and you can make money. Now, this is a great way to get started, and you can customize a bunch of different things in Canva. So they had whatever the requirement of the logo is, you can choose a template that works with that kind of business and then use that to create your logo. Now, this is a very simple way to make money. It's the one with the least amount of skills required. So if you don't want to do a bunch of work, then go with logo design jobs, but I will say that those pay the least. And to get started on Freelancer is pretty simple. Simply go on to their homepage, click on sign up on the top right over here, and you can continue with Facebook or your email address, and you're going to agree to their terms of service and click on Freelancer. And I'm just going to click on login because I previously did create a account with Freelancer. Or you can just continue off with Facebook over here because it's taking a little longer. And just like that, it's a very simple setup. All you have to do is provide your email address. You don't need to provide any other kind of information. And once you do that, you can see your profile. You can go on ahead and click on view profile and begin building your profile. So you can provide all of your jobs, all of the kind of work that you have, portfolio items. You can enter, your education experience, and then you're going to go on ahead and find jobs that are in accordance to your skill set. Or you can even enter the fact that you're like a project manager or a manager which has other people working for them, and they can accomplish the task via them as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.